In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can round down a number in Microsoft Excel. For this, we have a demo number like 125.786 and we are going to round down this number to like 125.700 or like 125.780, like that. For this, how we can do this? There is a function which is called a ROUNDDOWN function. We are going to use this and make it as our desired. So go to the cell and enter equal, then write ROUNDDOWN. ROUNDDOWN. Here you can see ROUNDDOWN function. Then enter tab. Now enter the digit. This is our digit. Now enter a comma. Then how digit? Here number of digit you want to show. Look, we want to show number of digit 1. Then closing the bracket, enter. Here now you can see this is rounded, and we are not done yet. We can round it like this. If we want to round it like 125.780, then we can use digit 2, because after decimal point there is 3 digits, so we are going to round the digit in the 10th value, so we are entering value 2. So enter. Now you can see 125.780. You can also round it with 0, so it will be 125. Look, this is how you can easily round a number in Microsoft Excel. And there's another thing you can use, which is if you want minus digit like 1, then it will be decimal like 120 before the decimal value. Hope that you like this video. Thank you for watching the video.